Crude oil daily forecast, June 13th, FXEmpire.com. The crude oil market, as you can see, got a little bit of a boost during the session on Wednesday. We initially gapped down, but then bounced quite significantly during the day and drove all the way up to the 96.50 level. There was an oil inventory number come out of the United States, and there was an addition of 2.5 million barrels. They had initially thought that there would be a loss of 1.4 million barrels. So that, of course, means that there been less demand lately, and with that being the case, uh, this drives prices lower. So this really put a whipping on the uh, market, and as a result, you can see that we lost a lot of the gains. In reality, though, the gains were probably more to do with the weakening of the dollar than anything else. 96.50 offered resistance, and that resistance goes all the way up to about 97.50. You can see that we did not manage to break above it, and because of that, we feel that this market's just going to go sideways. Because, quite frankly, if that inventory number was not enough to drive it down much lower than this, then really what will? We just feel that this market is grinding. At this point in time, it's very difficult to get a read on this market. It just simply wants to chop around sideways and ruin accounts, basically. The Brent market is a little easier to read. You can see that it's 105 to about 100. And as a result, anything above 105 has our attention, probably to about 107 at first. And then if we can get above that, why not go to the top of that consolidation area at roughly 110? We don't know that that will happen though, because Brent isn't used so much in the North American region, which at this point in time is the highest growing region. So it will be susceptible to recessionary headwinds in the European theater as well as Asia. And on top of that, quite frankly, 105 has just been tough to crack. We don't necessarily think that the 100 level is going to break down either, so it's still a range bound play for us. Unfortunately, we are right in the middle of the mess, so because of that, we're just going to sit on the sidelines.